So in our previous classes we have learned about factors and multiples of a number. After that we learned about prime numbers, co-prime number, composite numbers, and then we solved exercise 5.1. So today we are going to solve another exercise 5.2. Right? So we know about अब हामीलाई थाहा छ प्राइम नम्बर के हो, कम्पोजिट नम्बर के हो भन्ने कुरा याद छ. So त्यही लगाएर चाहिँ आज हामी नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज सल्भ गर्नु जाँदैछौँ. सो यसमा चाहिँ एउटा कुरा नानीहरूले याद गर्नुपर्छ. के याद गर्नुपर्छ यो एक्सरसाइज सल्भ गर्नुको लागि भन्दा चाहिँ एभ्री कम्पोजिट नम्बर क्यान बी रिटन एज द प्रोडक्ट अफ इट्स प्राइम फ्याक्टर्स. एभ्री कम्पोजिट नम्बर्स क्यान बी रिटन एज द प्रोडक्ट अफ इट्स प्राइम फ्याक्टर्स and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. Every composite number can be written as a product of prime factors. Example, let us example 12. 12 is a composite number. अब 12 लाई हामीले कसरी लेख्न सक्छौं भन्दा चाहिँ it is written as the product of prime factors. यसको prime factors. So 12 भनेको 12 लाई हामी सिम्पल लेख्दा 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. Right? Further, here 2 is a prime factor, prime numbers. 2 चाहिँ prime number हो, ठिकै छ, तर 6 is not a prime number. अब यसलाई पनि केमा लेख्नु पर्यो, prime numbers मै लेख्नु पर्यो. त्यसले गर्दा equals to 6 लाई हामी लेख्नु 3 into 2 into 2. So this is all are here, all are prime numbers. 3 2 2 all are prime numbers. So every composite numbers can be written as the product of its prime numbers, prime factors. है, and this factorization is unique. अब यो चाहिँ factorize, यो चाहिँ 12 को मात्रै हुन्छ नि, यो अरु नम्बर को हुन सक्दैन त, 15 को हुन सक्दैन, 18 को हुन सक्दैन. यो this factorization is only for 12 composite number 12 and apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. अब यसलाई हामीले 3 into 2 into 2 लेख्न सक्छौ अथवा 2 into 3 into 2 पनि लेख्न सक्छौ or 3 or 2 into 2 into 3 पनि लेख्छ. जे गरे भने पनि we will get 12. यसमा पनि 12, यसमा पनि 12. Order may be different. Order जस्तै यस्तो अर्डरमा पनि लेख्न सकिन्छ. यो अर्डर 2 3 2 मा पनि लेख्न सकिन्छ, 3 2 2 3 मा पनि लेख्न सकिन्छ. सो यसरी, so we use this knowledge. आज हामी यो लगाउँछौ यसमा. So every composite numbers can be written as the product of its prime factors and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. Okay, त यो विषयमा अलिक बेसी चाहिँ हामी हायर क्लासमा गएर पढ्नु पर्छ. अहिले अलिकति यो जानकारी मात्रै. ए मा छ 72. 72 लाई फर्स्ट स्टेप गर्दैको छ 8 into 9. 8 9 चाहिँ 72. 72 लाई हामी के लेख्न सक्छौ, 72 is equal to 8 into 9. है, बट both are composite. 8 पनि composite, 9 पनि composite. 8 लाई फेरि 2 into 4 लेख्दा भयो नि त. into 9 लाई हामी लेख्छौं 3 into 3. अब here 4 is a composite number. 4 के हो, composite हो. त्यसले गर्दा 2 into 4 को बदलीमा फेरि 2 into 2 है, into 3 into 3. So all are prime numbers. यहाँनिर सबै prime number 2 2 2 3 3 सबै के भयो, prime numbers भयो. यसरी लेख्नु पर्ने. So every composite numbers can be written as the product of its prime factor, product of its prime factor, product of its prime factor, its prime factors and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. हैन, सबै केमा छ, prime numbers मा छ. 2 2 2 3 3 all are prime number. 84 छ. 84 भनेको के, what is 84? 84 is equal to 84 7 12 84 7 into 12 है. So 7 is a prime number. 7 लाई चेन्ज गर्नु परेन, हामी डाइरेक्ट 7 नै लेख्छौं. into 12 भनेको 2 into 6. 2 6 is 12. 7 लाई 7 लेख्नु पर्यो. 2 is also a prime number. 2 नै लेख्नु पर्यो. What is 6? 6 is equal to 3 into 2. So here also all are prime number. All the factors 7 2 3 2 सबै के हो, prime numbers हो नि. order may be different. अब यसलाई हामी यस्तो नगरेर, यस्तो नलेखेर 2 into 3 into 7 into 2 पनि लेख्न सक्थे. यो गरे भने पनि you will get 84. यसमा order may be different. next छ 56. 8 7 56. 56 के हो, 8 7 is 56. 56 equals to 8 into 7. Now what is 8? 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8 into 7. Ready? 2 into 4 1 equal 2 into 2 into 7. So all are prime numbers. 2 2 2 2 2 7 all are prime numbers. Next 54. 9 6 is 54. 54 छ 54 लाई हामी के लेख्न सक्छौं 9 into 6. 9 6 is 54. Now 9 को बदलीमा 3 into 3 लेख्नु पर्यो into 6 भनेको 2 into 3. So all are prime numbers.